So I've got here a little setup for a Lego Christmas tree with some random presents. So I'm going to bring this around so you can kind of get an idea what it looks like. So here's the Christmas tree. I actually have it sitting on a, let me get this little piece fall out here. It's actually sitting on two different little rounded pieces just to make it a little bit higher to fit the presents underneath the tree. On the bottom I just have a large plate where I was able to set everything. So I set some of the white plates. I actually put a few of the ones that have the stud in the middle, just random style studs, just to kind of fit it around how I wanted. Then I just used random one by pieces with different tops, just like that. Then I just arranged them around the tree just however I wanted. Like this one here is a just a regular 2x2 brick, like a little plate, little thing on the top. This one's a rounded one. So this is just different things, different just types of items that I used. And then I just arrange them around the tree just however I want. Put this right here on this side. And then just put the tree right in the middle. And then you got your own little Christmas tree. If you got a little, one of the little houses you've built, you can put this in here. And then here, this is just one of those little Christmas presents that's wrapped on both ends, and I just tossed that. Find a spot and just toss it inside under the tree. There you go, just like that. And that's just something I built. I thought I'd show it. Just a random. I actually put this on the back of a one of the Lego trains. I had it running around the house for Christmas, so it worked out really well.